Multilogin is a reliable anti-detect browser for managing multiple Shopee accounts without the risk of bans. In this demo, we'll create isolated browser profiles with built-in proxies for your Shopee accounts. Start by opening your workspace. This is a beginner-friendly hub for your profiles. Next, click Create to start setting up a new browser profile. Give your profile a clear and recognizable name. Add tags and notes to organize profiles by store, marketplace, or campaign. Choose the Startup tab behavior, browser core, storage type, and operating system. Mobile profile emulation is available if you manage Shopee stores on mobile-first workflows. Now move to the Proxy tab. Select residential or mobile proxies. Multilogin includes built-in access to 30 million IPs across more than 150 locations, allowing each Shopee account to appear as a separate user. Select the country, region, or city that matches your Shopee market. Click Check Proxy to confirm the IP address and connection before continuing. Review fingerprint settings if required. Multilogin uses more than 55 fingerprint parameters to keep each profile isolated and consistent. If you plan to scale, save this configuration as a template to reuse the same setup across profiles. Click Create to save your profile settings. Your Shopee browser profile is now ready to use. Need more profiles? Click Clone to duplicate the setup while keeping each profile fully separated. Enter the number of profiles you need and confirm. Use AI quick actions from the search bar to speed up your workflow. Type a simple prompt and Multilogin will automatically create the profiles for you. Now let's launch the profile to begin working with your Shopee account. A verification window opens. Confirm your IP, region, and browser environment before logging in. After that, log in or create a Shopee account. Each profile remains isolated, like a separate device, keeping your accounts unique. Thank you for watching. With Multilogin, you can manage multiple Shopee accounts using built-in proxies and isolated browser profiles. Get started to grow your e-commerce income today.